Parasect. Ooh. Reverse Hollow Oddish. I always did like picking up an Oddish near Cerulean City in first gen just to get some some grass coverage. Because I usually pick Squirtle or Charmander. I wasn't really a Bulbasaur boy. Ooh. I like that Gengar. That is nice. It looks like he just did something he shouldn't have done. Like, no way. Let's go! First pack! No way. First pack. Oh my goodness. Venusaur EX. Wow. I thought that said 62 and I was like, oh man. Then I got closer and I was like, wait a minute. That's a secret.